Why is my pool cloudy and how do I clear it? Check it out. First, why is your pool cloudy? And there's a few reasons it might be cloudy. And the first reason is low sanitizer. So you may not have enough chlorine or bromine or salt or minerals or Aquasil or whatever sanitizer you use. There may not be enough. And when there's not enough, things can get into your pool and cause it to become cloudy. The second reason is you might have a filtration problem or even a circulation problem, which kind of go hand in hand. If your filter is not doing a good job at filtering the water, which is what it's supposed to do, then you can get cloudy water. And if you have a sand filter, basically the sand could start to be ineffective over time. And so you may need to change the sand in your sand filter. If you have a DE filter, you may want to just do a quick backwash and change out the DE. And if you have a cartridge filter, you might be having issues with your cartridge and you may need to get it replaced. That's simple. You can also change how your filter system is moving around or what the circulation's doing, because if you have the return jets coming into your pool, well, you want to make sure the return jets are actually moving the water around so that that dirty water is getting into your skimmers so that your filter can actually filter it. So if you have main drains in the bottom of your, say, in-ground pool, you want to make sure that you're pulling water from the bottom of your pool as well as pulling from the top of your pool with your regular skimmers. And you can angle some of the jets down towards the bottom so that it actually like churns that dirty water from the bottom up to the surface so that those surface skimmers can pick it up. The other thing it might be is just general poor pool water chemistry, meaning like your pH could be high, your alkalinity could be high, and your pH and alkalinity not balanced. You could have high calcium. You could have high cyanuric acid or pool stabilizer or chlorine stabilizer or CYA. It goes by many names. But you could have high versions of this or even low versions of this. And this is different from sanitizer because even high pH, alkalinity, calcium, and cyanuric acid can cause cloudy water. Finally, could be algae. Could be something actually in your pool that's causing the water to be cloudy. And algae is not always green. It could be dead algae, and dead algae can make your pool cloudy. So how do we clear it? Real quick before we continue, if you're looking for an easy to follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and in-text blow-up pools. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. So how do we clear it? First thing you can do, skim your pool, brush your pool, vacuum your pool. General pool cleaning is always a good idea. You could shock the pool. That'll add the sanitizer. That could fix your water chemistry. It could kill algae if that's what's doing it to your pool. You want to make sure that the pH and alkalinity are balanced. Calcium hardness is in the right level. If you're using cyanuric acid or pool stabilizer, you want to make sure that's in the right area too. You can also, if it's not your filter system and you've already kind of determined that and the filter system's running pretty good, run that filter system 24/7 because that's going to help clear the water. I mentioned before using bottom drains. Again, if you have an in-ground pool, getting water from the bottom of your pool will help clear your water. Okay, those are all the things you can do with really no aid whatsoever. And I recommend doing all of those things if your water's cloudy. But if you want to speed up the process a bit, there are two things you can do. There are two chemicals you can add. One is a water clarifier, and this is what I recommend because what a water clarifier does is it takes all the little particles in your pool that kind of overall make your pool cloudy, and all these little particles are really, really tiny, and your filter may have a hard time picking them up. So what a clarifier does is bind a few of those particles together and clumps them so that they're a little bit bigger, so that your filter can actually have a better chance of picking up those bigger clumps. Now, this is great, but it requires your filter system to do its job, so it needs to be in tip-top shape. Worst case scenario, if none of these things are working for you, you can use a chemical called Floc, which is short for flocculant. Basically, this does something similar to Clarifier, where it clumps things together, but it sinks everything to the bottom of the pool. So imagine your entire cloudy pool and it gets all that cloud that's in your water is all of a sudden going to be at the very bottom. So you're going to see this like thick white cloud at the bottom of your pool. And this is great because, hey, technically most of the water is clear, but then you have to get that cloudy water out of your pool. And this is why I recommend using a clarifier over a Floc first, because you're going to actually have to set up your manual vacuum cleaner and slowly vacuum that thick cloudy water out of your pool, not through your filter system, because it's going to be so cloudy that your filter system's not going to be powerful enough to clear it, and you're just going to blow that cloud directly back into your pool, which is going to defeat the purpose. As soon as you move your vacuum through it, you're going to see it puff up, and you're going to have to be really slow with the vacuum cleaner, and you're going to want that water directly out of your pool. So those are all the things that can cause cloudy water, and those are all the things that you can do to clear it. If there's a pool care topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave a comment to let us know, and hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again, and happy swimming.